Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini dash cam is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories in today's market, offering drivers an extra layer of security and peace of mind on the road. These compact devices, despite their small size, pack a powerful punch, providing high-quality video recordings that can be crucial in case of accidents, disputes, or even capturing unexpected and exciting moments during your drives. With various features and functionalities available, choosing the right mini dash cam can feel overwhelming, but this video will guide you through the essential factors to consider before making your purchase. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience the future of driving with crystal clear 4K video recording. It's packed with features to keep you safe and connected on the road. Capture every detail with its stunning 2160p resolution. Even in low light, the revolutionary night vision ensures clear footage. Instantly access and manage your recordings via the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download and share your videos quickly and easily. It accurately records your location and speed. View your driving route on Google Maps using the app or our GPS player. It boasts a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, parking mode, motion detection, and more. It's designed for ultimate peace of mind. We're a USA-based company committed to your satisfaction. Contact our customer care team for quick and helpful support. What we like. It boasts superior video quality and a speedy Wi-Fi connection for easy sharing. If you demand the best picture quality and convenient app access, this is the dashcam for you. It's perfect for those who want to capture every detail of their drives and easily share their experiences. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. Image quality at 1440p at 30 fps is great. The dashcam does not look cheap at all, very slick and good looking to my point of view. Time will tell, but it is a solid 4.5 stars in my book. Number 4. Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. It captures stunning FHD 1080p video with a wide 150 degrees angle lens. You'll get clear recordings of license plates and road signs, even in low light. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the app on your smartphone. Live stream, download, and share videos directly to your social media. Its slim and lightweight design makes it easy to install and won't obstruct your view. The simple setup is perfect for first-time users. When connected to a hardwire kit, sold separately, it automatically switches to parking mode. Collision detection and time-lapse recording provide around-the-clock security. It features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting older footage. The G-sensor locks important clips to prevent accidental deletion. It's made with high-quality materials and can withstand extreme temperatures. It supports memory cards up to 128 GB for extended recording. What we like. Its small size makes it discreet and simple to set up. If you prioritize a hassle-free installation and need around-the-clock parking surveillance, this dash cam is ideal. It's perfect for drivers who want a simple, yet effective solution. What people say. The video quality is superb, the 1080p resolution provides crisp, clear footage, and even at night, the image is remarkably good. I can easily make out license plates and other important details. The wide-angle lens is a huge plus, ensuring that I capture a broad view of the road. The video quality is excellent for a full HD cam, even at night. The night vision and WDR really help capture clear footage in low light or tricky lighting conditions. I also appreciate the 24-hour parking mode. It gives me peace of mind when my car is parked. The video quality is high and the view angle is wide. It covers more area than your eyes. The interface with the app was also a plus. It was easy to connect and calibrate. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. It's our newest and most advanced dash cam, packed with features for ultimate peace of mind on the road. Experience crystal clear 4K video recording and so much more. It records at 2160p at 30 fps or 2.5K at 60 fps, ensuring you capture every detail, day or night. Its super night vision makes it perfect for low light conditions. Connect to it easily via the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. View, download, and share your videos effortlessly using our user-friendly app. It has a built-in GPS that records your speed and location, providing crucial details for any incident. This data is embedded directly into your video recordings. It boasts a supercapacitor for extended life, voice guidance, a wide-angle lens, and emergency video locking. It also has a time-lapse function and supports up to a 512 GB microSD card. It offers 3 parking mode options: time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. It will record a full minute of video if an event occurs and alert you when you return to your car. What we like. This dash cam offers blazing fast 5G Wi-Fi for quick video transfers and advanced parking features. If you need high-speed connectivity and comprehensive parking protection, this is the one for you. It's perfect for tech-savvy drivers who value speed and security. What people say. It is super easy and intuitive to use. The mounting kits it comes with are perfect and work extremely well, even bouncing along off-road, and it has so many cool features. The dash cam was very easy to install and super easy to operate. The quality of image is excellent, the unit is very nice and small, and syncing to my phone was a breeze. Number 2. REDTIGER F7 and Touch 4K Dash Cam. It captures your journey in breathtaking 4K UHD resolution at the front and 1080p FHD at the rear. With its wide-angle lens and enhanced night vision, you'll get clear recordings day and night. Enjoy hands-free control with voice commands, keeping your eyes on the road. The intuitive touchscreen lets you easily lock videos, connect to Wi-Fi, and more. Connect to the app wirelessly on your smartphone, access your videos, and share them instantly. The built-in GPS tracks your location, speed, and route. It automatically overwrites old footage when the card is full, ensuring continuous recording. The G-sensor locks important footage in case of an accident. This dashcam provides parking surveillance. The G-sensor parking mode records impacts, while time-lapse mode gives a condensed overview. A separate hardwire kit is required. It's easy to install with the included suction cup and pry tool. Plus, it comes with an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support for your peace of mind. What we like. This dash cam provides both front and rear 4K recording with a user-friendly touchscreen and voice commands. If you value convenience and comprehensive recording, this is the dash cam for you. It's perfect for drivers who want a feature-rich and intuitive experience. What people say. The front camera is super clear. It easily picks up number plates, even at night. The touch interface is snappy, not smartphone level, but still quick and responsive enough to navigate without frustration. Installation is fast and easy. Images are very clear. It works instantly and you can download the videos to your phone. It gives 3 options for the length of the video downloads as I recall. Excellent video quality, both front and rear. Very easy to install. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 010-02062-00. It's incredibly compact, about the size of a car key, so it's barely noticeable on your windshield. This little device provides crucial protection on the road. Its small size makes it virtually invisible, ensuring a clean look in your vehicle while providing reliable recording capabilities. You'll hardly know it's there. With its 140-degree wide-angle lens, it captures crisp 1080p HD footage, ensuring you get a complete view of the road. No detail is missed. It automatically detects and records incidents, providing peace of mind. This means you'll always have a record of what happened. Built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy uploading of saved footage to your smartphone using the Garmin Drive app. Access and manage your recordings effortlessly. With the Garmin Drive app, you can control and playback footage from up to 4 cameras simultaneously. Manage all your cameras from one convenient location. Please be aware that the use of this device may be regulated or prohibited in certain areas. Always check local laws and regulations before use. What we like. It's incredibly small and unobtrusive, yet captures high-quality video and automatically saves footage of incidents. If you want a discreet yet reliable dash cam with automatic incident recording, this is a great choice. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize simplicity and peace of mind. What people say. I chose this camera for a couple of reasons. I wanted something small, discreet, didn't need a ridiculous amount of features, GPS, lane departure warning, etc., and I did not want one with a lithium-ion battery. Those types of batteries don't really enjoy New York weather. This camera fit the criteria, and it uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, so it stands up to cold and heat even better. I was very happy with the 1080p video quality of the camera. License plates look clear, and everything looks overall very good. After doing a lot of research, I decided to purchase the Garmin Dash Cam Mini for a few reasons. 1. Its small size factor makes it less obvious there's a dash camera, therefore I can place my camera in an inconspicuous location. 2. It uses an adhesive to attach it to my windshield versus other products that only includes a suction cup. 3. It uses the Garmin smartphone app, but unlike some apps that runs all the time while you drive, this one you can access the video files only when you ask the app, meaning saving battery life. Its small size makes it easy to hide, long enough cabling to hide the wires, 1080p 30 frames per second camera with audio recording is decent, ability to press button on camera to mute the microphone, and save button will save a photograph and video for about 30 to 45 seconds before button press and after. Garmin app is good to use, and takes a little practice to use it the right way. Setup for the camera, via the app, is very easy. The good choices are already selected for you, and you can use the app to view and transfer videos as well as see what the camera sees, live preview, to make sure everything looks the way it should, since the camera doesn't come with a screen. You can also do things like enable-disable audio and format the SD card, purchased separately, but you can do that with the camera itself, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.